Lugh stands as one of the most revered figures in Celtic mythology, embodying the ideals of war, kingship, and mastery over various crafts and arts. His multifaceted nature and heroic qualities reflect the aspirations of the Celtic people, representing the characteristics of an ideal leader who can both protect and inspire. Known as Semildanak, which translates to the master of all arts, Lugh epitomizes a holistic ideal of kingship in Celtic culture. He is revered for his unparalleled skills in various domains, including music, poetry, warfare, and craftsmanship. This mastery, across diverse disciplines, reflects the Celtic belief in the interconnectedness of knowledge and the importance of versatility in leadership. As a master tactician and strategist, Lugh's prowess on the battlefield is matched by his cultural contributions, making him a well-rounded and inspiring figure that the ancient Celts aspired to emulate. Often associated with the sun and light, Lugh's very name is believed to mean bright or shining one. This solar connection not only illuminates his character, but also aligns him with themes of life, growth, and vitality. His radiant essence symbolizes hope and new beginnings, embodying the cyclical nature of existence that is so integral to Celtic spirituality. By relating Lugh to the sun, the Celts highlighted his vital role as a life-giver, protector, and guide, reinforcing his status as a central figure in their mythological canon. Central to Lugh's identity is his invincible spear, an emblem of his prowess in battle and his authority as a leader. This magical weapon is more than just a tool of war. It symbolizes the strength and courage required to protect one's people and uphold justice. The spear is often associated with his ability to inspire and rally warriors, working as a catalyst for victory. Through this emblem, Lugh encapsulates the martial spirit essential to Celtic culture, where valor and honor on the battlefield were revered. Significantly, the harvest festival Lughnasadh, celebrated in early August, is named in honor of Lugh. This festival commemorates the abundance of the earth and is a time of gathering, harvest, and community celebration. Lughnasadh also pays tribute to Lugh's foster mother, Teiltiu, who is credited with clearing the land for agriculture. The festival, rich in rituals and feasting, reflects the deep connection between Lugh and the cycles of nature, illustrating his role not only as a warrior and king, but also as a deity of fertility and sustenance. In summary, Lugh embodies the multifaceted nature of an ideal Celtic ruler, seamlessly integrating the realm of war with artistry and community. His legacy as the god of war and kingship resonates deeply within the fabric of Celtic mythology, representing the qualities of courage, wisdom, and nurturing that define the essence of leadership. Through his stories and the celebrations that honor him, Lugh remains an enduring symbol of the ideals that continue to inspire the spirit of Celtic identity.